Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change iPhone country or region in App Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to change your country or region in App Store, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you how to check for some settings to prevent any kind of issue. So you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, decide to disconnect with that. Then go to General, go to Software Update. Try to update your software. Go back and go to this language and region option. Select region and select your own region from here. After selecting a region, just go back and you can also try to update your software if you have any pending software update. Just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and open your App Store. Then tap on the profile option in the top right. Tap on your Apple ID. Enter your iPhone or enter your Apple ID password here. Then tap on the country or region option from here. Then select your own country or region in which you are living or the country or region you have just selected in your iPhone setting. I'm gonna select this one because I have already selected this and then tap on continue option and here just tap on agree at the top right and here you have to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, just tap on this none option, then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all just tap on none option at the top right and your country or region will be successfully changed. If you might get any kind of error, so you have to try to clear all the subscriptions from your Apple ID. Just tap on your settings, then tap on Apple ID, then tap on subscriptions, and just cancel all the subscriptions you have in your Apple ID. And you have to also check your remaining credit balance in your Apple Pay or in your Apple ID. If you find your remaining credit balance, just try to spend that and after spending your remaining credit balance, you have to redraw and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.